Sunny here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Loom band treble clef. So the picture should be just up here. So this is what we are going to make today. To make this treble clef, I'm going to be using the tutorial from this book here. So you can get this, and the link will be down in the description box to if you want to buy this, and it will have this tutorial and more in it. If you want to make this charm, this is what you will need: a loom, a hook, red bands, orange bands, yellow bands, green bands, blue bands, and purple bands. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to make sure that your loom looks like this. So these two pegs here, and then this one a bit further forward. You're going to make sure that the arrow is pointing down, and so just make sure your loom looks like this. To make the treble clef, you are always going to be using double bands, which basically means that there's like two bands, for example, but they are together, so there's two of them, and this means that your charm is going to be more sturdy, and it means it won't break as easily. What you're going to do is get two orange bands and put them like so there. Then you're going to get another two and do it like so. So, and another two. So it looks like this. Then you're going to get, do the same with yellow. So just get two, put them down, then get another two, put them down, and another two, and put them down. Now you're going to do the same with green. And then at the bottom, you are going to do the same with blue. Them should look a bit like this. So you have 3 orange, 6 yellow, not 6, 3 yellow, 3 green, and 3 blue. And remember, they are all double looped, so as you can see, there's 2 of each of them. So yeah, along the side, you should just lift it like this. And then we are going to go on to step 2. Side, we are going to get 2 green bands and then put them down like that. Same again. Then you are going to do the same, but do it 4 times with yellow. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it looks a bit like this. Then at the bottom we're going to get a cap band. So you're going to get a green band and put it around here. So it's once, then twice. So you're going to loop it again. Then you're going to loop it a 3rd time. So it's on top of this, as you can see here, and then you're going to go on to step 3. We're going to hook this. So we're only going to hook the part at the right hand side. So we're going to go in and under the green, under the green, and then stand just wobbling. Then you're going to get pick up your yellow and put it over and onto here. Right, this is quite hard to do it on camera. Then you're going to get, I'm just going to do it like this. You're going to do it again for the yellow. So if you haven't hooked before, then it might be helpful to watch another video on how to hook, because I'm not very good at teaching it. But and then you're going to do it again. So you're going to There's no bands to go under for these ones, so it's a bit easier. And that, so like that. That. And just keep on doing it. Right, okay, so now you should have hooked this. We are going to get on to step 4. Step 4, we are going to get this and pull this off just with your hook. You can do it. By the way, you don't need to have a metal hook to do this. You can just have a plastic one. So it is a bit harder, but it works just the same. So we're just gonna, sorry, camera's wobbling, stand's wobbling. So now we have got this little thing. Then you're gonna get your bottom of your loom out, and you're gonna basically take this off. And so it should look like this in your fingers, and then you're going to put it right on the bottom of it. So now we are going to hook all the way up here. So I can do the first bit. So demonstrate it. So that is the next step. Mine is now hooked. So the next thing you're going to need to do is find something. I've got a pencil, just something sort of thin that you can put stuff on. And we're going to get it off just like a hook. Oh, oops, burst the camera. So we're going to take it off your loom, and now it should look like this, just on your pencil. So this is your treble clef so far, and we're just going to leave this aside for the moment and get on with the next step. The thing we're going to do is get 2 purples and put them on. Another 2. So there is 5 on. So just like this. Then you're going to do the same as we did earlier. We are going to get, but this time is with blue. We are going to put this cap band on. So by the way, cap bands only have 1 band. So it's like this, then you put it around twice and 3 times. And so it looks like this. I'm going to hook this. So I will just do this and see you at the next step. So I have hooked it now, and the next thing you're going to do is get your pencil out. So it should have 1 big strand on it, and do the same as last time and take it off. So now you have this wee purple one and the rainbow coloured one. You're going to get your loom back out again, and then so you are going to get use up the rest of your bands. So get 2 red ones and put them forward like this, and another 2 like so. So these are in this bit. It is kind of in a different pattern, but there. So remember, all your bands are double looped, just cap bands that use single bands. So that's the reds. Then you are going to get your orange and get 2 and do that. And this. Then you're going to do a row of some yellows. There. Right, 1. Right, sorry. now it should look a bit like this. So you were going to continue putting some bands down, so the green, and then just put glues down right to the bottom. Your loom looks like this, and then we can get started on the next bit. So you should have these two things, so this longer one and then this shorter one. So first thing you were going to do is get the shorter one, take it off, and then put it right on the end here, so this will be kind of a bit like a cap band. So just here. Then you're going to need to pay attention to this part. So it should look a bit like this. Then you are going to get it and put it right here. So just here. So it's 1, 2, 3, the fourth peg down in the middle. So just here. Then you are going to get it, and so you're going to get, as you can see, there are three blue bands on here. You're going to get the middle one and put it up, put it like this. Then you're going to put it on the third band, the third peg down from the bottom. So there's 1, 2, 3. So just on this peg. Like so. Right, the next step is really important, so make sure you pay attention. You're going to get, there is 3 yellow bands, or this is actually 4. So you are going to get the one, so which is this one, and then you are going to put it. So there is, as you can see, so there's this one. Focus. Right, right. Okay. So there's this one, but you should put this back down on. Then there's this one, which you're gonna leave alone. Then there is this one, which has both the blue and green on it. Then there is this one, which has the yellow and green on it, and we're going to get that one and put this one onto it, so like that. I'm just leaving these here, but they don't really matter. So this is basically your treble clef so far. So just double check that your loom looks like mine does, and then we can get started on the hooking. So we're going to start from the bottom, obviously, and you are going to hook all the way up here. Just make sure that when you get to the bands with other bands on them, so I'll just hook up to there. So like this, for example, and you're just going to hook under it and make sure you grab it. So, it's falling apart. But make sure that you don't snap any bands, and so just make sure. So as you can see here, you're just going to go under and grab the bands. Remember, there is 2 bands in there. Right, so it's like this, and you're basically just going to lift it all the way up to the top. So I'm just at this point, so you're going to go under and then get the orange bands. So the top 2, the bottom 2 orange bands, and you're going to look, okay, I've only got one. Ooh, okay, sorry. Right, so you get it. It's fine if you get them individually. Or no, actually, sorry, I just got two. And then you're going to go under here and get the red bands, and then just continue hooking as normal. I have now finished hooking. It looks a wee bit like a treble clef, but so this is what your loom should look like. In case, but so this is basically what your loom should look like. Now you are going to get the top with your hook in and rip it off, just like you have done. Sorry, you can't see it now, but okay. And then it's falling apart. Right, so now you should have your treble clef. So this is what it looks like. But to finish it off, because if you took it off the hook, it would all fall apart because these bands are here. So we are going to get, you should, red band, you should maybe have one left over, and you're going to put it on the top of your hook. And you are going to basically make a slip knot so that you're slotting all of your bands onto, sorry you can't really see, but I'm just going to take them off one at a time because it's quite difficult. So it's like, just do that. I'm going to take them off one at a time. You can just take them all in one go. So, then you should be finished. Right, then you should, sorry, you can't really, so sorry. Right, okay. You should be left with one band on your hook and the other band wherever you put it. So you're going to put this band onto your hook here, and then, right, so you're going to get the bottom band, so with all these on it, over, and you're going to tug for this one, and then this is your treble clef charm all finished. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I find it a lot of fun making the charm here. So you can put this in your school bag, hang it up anywhere, and it is just generally really pretty. I loved making this, and by the way, Seaside is having great fun on her holiday, so she'll be doing a video about that next week. So and remember, if you're new to our channel, to smash that subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and comment down below what you would like to see in our next videos, and if you made this Loom band charm, and what your favourite Loom band charm is. So thanks for watching. Bye.